And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 45. Let me show you how you can straighten a horizon. When you've got a new photo imported, it might be locked, so click on this lock icon, then I press Ctrl J. I like to work on copies, and I've got the original below as backup. I go to the top layer, and if I use the line segment tool, you can see the horizon isn't fully straight. So there's an angle of about 2 degrees, something like that. Let me delete the line, we don't need it. I'm on the top layer. Now I activate the crop tool. C is the short key for it. If you see a different tool, for example the slice tool, right click on it and then you can select the crop tool. It should give you these icons, and then you can find the straighten option right here. Activate it with a left click and then left click drag. Right here, this line, I go to minus 1.9 degrees and this shows you what it's going to look like. And when you confirm right here or by pressing enter, the changes will be applied. And this is how you can straighten the horizon in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.